It's a good seal. Hey, sweet friends, I thought we could spend a few quiet minutes together while I show you my simple pumping routine. If you're a new mama or just curious about my process, I hope this video helps you feel a little more confident. Here's the manual pump I'll be using today. I like it because it's simple, lightweight, and easy to use whenever I need it. First, I make sure the pump sits comfortably and creates a good seal. Then I start with slow, gentle squeezes to help my body relax. There's no need to rush. Taking it easy usually works best for me. After the first minute, I settle into a steady rhythm that feels natural and comfortable. If I ever feel uncomfortable, I simply adjust the position or ease the pressure a little. Every body is different, so it's totally okay to go at your own pace. I keep breathing, stay relaxed, and let the pump do the work. Sometimes I pause for a few seconds before continuing again. Staying comfortable is the most important part of the whole routine. I usually continue until the flow naturally slows down and I feel finished on this side. Nice and easy, no stress, no rushing. And here's the milk I collected today. I'm always happy to see the final result, and every little bit counts. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. I really hope you enjoyed watching and found this routine helpful. Thanks for all your love and support. It truly means so much to me.